Akala nila, basta ilagay nila ang presidente, pwede na. The president can appear in public notices or even in these infomercials because according to the principles of international relations, in the entire international community, only the president of the country speaks for the country. No other, unless she has given her authority to that cabinet official, maybe the Foreign Affairs Secretary, to do so. Kaya pwede siya because she becomes a symbol of the country or becomes a symbol of national unity. Ngayon, ito na mga ito, palibhasa, hindi nagbabasa ng batas o baka hindi marunong magbasa. Baka illiterate itong mga cabinet members na ito. Akala nila, basta isama nila si Pangulo sa kanilang mga litrato, pwede na. Officials are admitting that they are guilty of the election offense of using public funds for electioneering. The election code